Hi, I'm Adam, and for our second stop on the bike tour, we're stopping at Nicollet Island. This is a joint project with Friends of the Mississippi River that started in 2017. And the work really involved a 7-acre habitat restoration, both in the upland parts of the island and along the shoreline. A lot of work was initially put into removing invasive species like buckthorn that was widespread across the island. And the work that's taken place since then has really been to add in native plant species. So behind me right now is part of the prairie restoration part of the work. And then all around the outside of the island, there are parts of a forest restoration where volunteers came in and planted hundreds of shrubs and trees. And that will help stabilize the soil around the island, as well as help capture more stormwater when there is big rainfall events that might have more runoff into the river as well. Another big part of the project is around soil stabilization of the banks themselves next to the river. There was a rapidly receding shoreline as a result of higher water flows and pressures from the river itself just on the bank. However, a big portion of the work went into stabilizing those shorelines with erosion bars. So between the upland work that helps capture more stormwater and the shoreline stabilization, this restoration project is really helping to improve water quality by capturing that stormwater, as well as adding a whole lot of native plant diversity, which is really important.